everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. So all you need to do is go into our settings right here. And then on our name, where we have all of our Apple ID and iCloud at the very top, let's go ahead and click on this. And then let's click on iCloud right here. And then this has all of our iCloud items. And as you can see here, let's go ahead into the device backups. And then let's turn on this option. This will now try to turn on your backup. And this may or may not fail because it also depends on your iCloud storage. So as you can see here, this iPhone cannot be backed up because there is not enough iCloud storage available. So all you need to do is go back into iCloud and you can see how much storage that you have right here at the top. It says here that there is 5 gigabytes available. If you want to add more, just go and manage account storage. And then change your storage plan, which of course you will need to purchase. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.